If you need to recover your Klarna account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Klarna website. Go to the official Klarna website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says forgot your password or need help logging in. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Klarna account. This is crucial as Klarna will use this email to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Klarna with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Create a new password that is strong and secure, then confirm the change. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you have regained access to your account, navigate to your account settings. Update your phone number and any other necessary information to ensure you can recover your account more easily in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Klarna account without your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for further assistance.